Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get emote in Fish It game of Roblox new update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Valentine's update part 2 has been released, and in this update there is a new feature called emote, and you can see the feature here. Click on this icon, and then if you want to add emoji, you need to buy it guys. You need to buy the emote crate, and it costs 59 Robux, and it's not free. But at the Heartfelt Island, you will be able to buy emote with the Valentine coins, and I'm going to show you how you can buy the emote. Okay, I'm going to bring you to the emote location. But first, you need to go to the Heartfelt Island. Okay, you need to enter the island, and then you're going to go to the fishing spot. Wait. Okay, here is the fishing spot, and you're going to go to this way. Okay, here. Oops. Hi guys. Alright, and here where you can buy the emote. You can buy it with 10k Valentine's coins. And to farm the Valentine's coins, you just need to fish here at the Heartfelt Island. You can farm here and buy the emote. But my balance is not enough. I still need to collect 10k Valentine's coins. And this is how the emote looks like. Wait, let me zoom in. Okay, emote with flower animation. Okay guys, and that's how you can get emote in Fish It Game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.